We also got a second serving of rice. Compliment. Today our review is going to be about O Cafe by O by Tamra, and stay tuned to find out more about the food and the ambience and the overall experience. Hello everyone, welcome to Mars Vlogs, and in today's binge diary we are going to be trying out some dishes at the O Cafe, which is at Tamara. That's O by Tamara, which is somewhere near Kim's Hospital or near Arkulam, which is in Trivandrum. So we have ordered hot chocolate, we have ordered a coffee, and we have ordered a ranch burger. So that has a beef patty, quail egg, caramelized onion. So that's what is going into it. So let's try it out and I will tell you more details. I'm very excited, mainly because after a long time we are actually visiting a fine dine place, and that also in Trivandrum. We usually do this in Bangalore, but this time we are doing it in Trivandrum. So let's try it out. Prashant is also excited. So it's a treat for him today, that I had to treat him because it's a long pending. So it's a treat for Prashant. So let's see how good the burger is and the items is. So as soon as we entered, we noticed that it was a little confusing to actually deviate from the road and get into this hotel. That's one point. Second, there was a security who guided us to the parking. There's no valet because Trivandrum is under the restriction due to the pandemic. So there's no valet parking. So we had to go all the way to the basement and walk up because the lift is not working. However, we took the lift to the cafe, but towards the parking it was not working. So Prashant was pissed because of that. Another thing is there's no proper signage. Like as soon as we enter the hotel, there's no signage. There's nobody there. There's just a sanitizer and a book kept. There's nobody to actually guide us where the place is. Then when we walked in, then we saw the lobby, which is in a separate section, and from there we were guided properly. So that's my first impression. So hopefully the food will pay off for whatever happened there. So other than that, you saw the view. The view is amazing. It reminds me of some resort in some holiday destination. So let's see how good the food is. So this was served along with the coffee and the hot chocolate. It was really yum. One was sweet and the other one was a savory cookie. We enjoyed it a lot with the coffee and the hot chocolate. The service was good, but one complaint that we had was it took a very long time to even serve the coffee and hot chocolate, and also the food. In fact, we were the only ones at that point where they served the coffee and hot chocolate. There was one of the celebrity Malayalam film fraternity person who was there. She left some time back, so we were the only customer, but it took awfully long to actually serve the food to us. And then finally we were served with the coffee, the hot chocolate and the burger. As you can see, the burger looks really yum, and the fries were amazing. It was very crunchy and crispy and hot, but there were some issues with the burger. I'll explain it later as and when we proceed with the video. So we had the hot chocolate and the coffee. Hot chocolate was just average. It was very light, and I've had better ones. So hot chocolate was just fine. Coffee was good. Now we have ordered their burger. I'll mention the name here. So they serve it with fries, some vegetables, and then they have the burger. So burger is beef burger with cheese, quail egg and bacon is what they've mentioned. So let's dig in and see how good it is. So this is the burger. So they have caramelized onions, then the quail egg, the patty. Let's see. The fries are really good. It's very crispy outside and really hot. So that was really nice. So we had ordered the burger, like I mentioned. It was supposed to have quail eggs and bacon, but both of it was not there. They had put the normal eggs, so they told due to the pandemic they didn't have the quail eggs, but bacon was also missing. So we've returned it. we're waiting for the new one. In this kind of a setup or this kind of a hotel, these kind of mistakes are not expected, but yeah, as long as they replace and give us a new one, we're fine with that. So this is the replaced burger. As you can see now, it's like overflowing with bacon, caramelized onion, the beef patty. So I'll try it out and let you know. So it's a very dim light setting, so I'm asking Prashant to hold the camera torch to actually take the video of the burger. So let's try it out. No. So as mentioned, quail egg is not available. So as mentioned, quail egg is not available. We are going to have it with normal egg, bacon and caramelized onion. The bun is really soft, and I love the addition of caramelized onion in the burger. It brings a sweetness to it and the saltiness of the bacon, so it's like a perfect combination. Glad that we waited for this and we're getting a mouthful of goodness. And we also got a second serving of rice. Compliment. So at the end of the meal, the chef did come to us and apologize for the goof up that happened regarding the burger. But overall, whatever said and done, we had an amazing time at this place because we were the only ones there. The ambience was amazing and the food was, I would say, average. But if you're going on a date night or you want to bring somebody special for a meal, then this is the right place just because of the ambience. I mean, come and experience it. Like, share and subscribe. That's all for now. Bye.